Hey guys, welcome to my What to Do channel. Today is not an actual service repair tutorial. It's rather a quick service tip. Now, maybe you bought a machine or you're a new turf technician and you're having a problem with the machine where the machine is dying every time you put it in drive, or when you release the parking brake, the machine stalls. Now, if you're sitting on the machine and it's already running, then it's not your seat switch. A lot of these newer machines now have a key that you can turn, which would put it into backlap mode. Now, maybe a mechanic was working on it and had just finished backlapping it and forgot to turn that key off, or maybe a technician was using it the day before and thought maybe that was the key to turn the machine off, and it didn't shut the machine off, but he also did not turn the key back to the other position. So that would cause the machine to die. Let me show you what I mean here. So in this particular unit, you have a Jacobsen Greensking Plus, but other units do have this also. Now, you have your regular switch, which turns the key on and off. But over here, there is a switch, another key here, which engages the backlap mode. Now, I typically take these out so that the people cannot turn that switch. But if the key is left in and somebody was operating this and they turned this when they got off and thought maybe that would shut the machine down, and it didn't, and then they proceeded over here and shut the machine down. Well, if they forgot to put this back in this mode, then the machine will die every single time you try to release the parking brake or put it in drive. The machine will shut off. So if you're having that problem, look over here. If there is a key switch, turn it back the other way, and then go ahead and try to release your parking brake and put it in drive, and it should work for you. And that's just my quick service tip of the day. Hit subscribe below, guys. Give me a like. I do videos daily, and I'll see you next time.